Brand new to our inventory here at Tameron Gulf Coast, we have this 2018 Ford F-150 XLT Crew Cab truck. On the exterior, we have fully automatic headlights, power door mirrors, chrome running boards, rear step bumper, rear backup camera with dynamic hitch assist. Inside, you'll find comfortable cloth seating for 5 with heated front seats, outside temperature display, rear sliding window, automatic temperature control, and remote keyless entry. The LCD touchscreen display comes preloaded with navigation and has Bluetooth technology to keep you connected. This 2018 Ford F-150 has less than 55,000 miles and comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information and to schedule your test drive today.